In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take digital meeting notes in OneNote. Start by opening your notebook in OneNote and creating a dedicated space for meetings. A simple structure works best. Use a notebook like work or clients, add a section called meetings, and create one page per meeting. Give each page a clear, searchable title so you can find it later. For example, you might use something like Client A Weekly Sync, April 3rd, 2026. Consistency here saves time down the road. Next, use a simple template so every meeting follows the same flow. Include headings for meeting title, date and time, and attendees. Then add sections for agenda, notes, action items, and next steps. Keep this template handy and paste it at the top of each new page. Having the same headings every time makes it easy to scan and makes follow-ups much faster. During the meeting, take notes in real time. Focus on key points rather than trying to capture every word. Bullet points keep things concise and readable. Prioritize decisions and outcomes over general discussion, and jot down anything that affects deadlines, budgets, or responsibilities so it doesn't slip through the cracks. Use tags to track tasks and priorities as you go. Press Ctrl+1 to mark an item as a to-do, and Ctrl+2 to flag something as important. For example, tag Send Proposal to Client as a to-do. These tags pay off later because you can gather them all in one place. If it's appropriate and you have permission, you can record the meeting. Go to Insert, then Audio, and start recording. OneNote links your notes to the timestamp in the audio, which makes it easy to jump back and review what was said around a specific note. Keep everything related to the meeting in one place by attaching files and links. Insert screenshots, documents, links, or presentations directly on the page so you don't have to hunt them down later. Link related pages for quick navigation. Right-click a page, choose Copy Link, and paste it into your project dashboard or at the top of your notes to connect background docs, previous meetings, or planning pages. Right after the meeting, take a moment to tidy up, clean messy notes, highlight key points, and finalize action items so they're clear and tagged. To track tasks across meetings, go to Home and select Find Tags. So you'll see all your to-do items and important notes in one view, which works like your personal dashboard. When you're ready to share, send a OneDrive link to the page or copy a brief summary into email or chat so everyone stays aligned.